This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 37 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, which presents the F-sharp sequence of major and minor scales and arpeggios. The worksheet for this lesson contains some important theoretical background as well as detailed instruction about the use of appropriate fingerings. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. F-sharp major has a key signature of 6 sharps and is the n-harmonic equivalent of G-flat major with 6 flats in its key signature. As the object of this exercise is to learn to play scales and arpeggios without reading them, it is not necessary to present this scale and arpeggio with a flat key signature on this worksheet. It is easier to think in sharps as the scale crosses the break via the sharp break fingering pattern from A sharp to B followed by C sharp. B is preceded by A sharp and F sharp is preceded by E sharp, so you should use the alternative fingerings for B and F sharp in this scale. These fingerings are clearly marked in exercise 69, which is to help with learning the F sharp major scale. Here is the scale of F sharp major. The F sharp, C sharp, D flat rule is presented for the last time in this course, as it governs the choice of fingerings in the scales and arpeggios of both F sharp major and F sharp minor. So to remind you for the last time, left hand fingering for all those notes in scales and the right hand fingering in arpeggios. Here is the arpeggio of F sharp major. And now the arpeggio of F sharp minor. You already know F sharp harmonic minor. Here it is. In the scale of F sharp melodic minor, you should use the alternative fingering for the middle F sharp when ascending, but revert to the regular fingering when descending, as you will now be playing E natural. You can still use the chromatic fingering at the top of the scale, as it's not difficult to move from this fingering to E natural when coming back down. You have already applied the same action at the top of your 3-octave E major scale. Exercise 70 helps you with F sharp melodic minor. Here it is. And here is the full F sharp sequence. Once you have completed practice plan 37, you have, in lesson 38, just one more sequence to learn, but it is a tricky one, so make sure you are really secure on everything you have done so far before you move on.